Nigel Knight, born 1956, is a British economist, author and political scientist. He has written books entitled Governing Britain since 1945 and Churchill, The Greatest Briton Unmasked. Professional background: Knight is a fellow and director of studies in economics at Churchill College, University of Cambridge, and he lectures in the Faculty of Economics and Politics. His book, Churchill, The Greatest Briton Unmasked, is a critical biography of British politician Winston Churchill. His book, Governing Britain since 1945, 2006, covers 60 years of British social policy. Published works: Knight, Nigel, 2006. Governing Britain since 1945, Politicos Publishing, ISBN 978-1,842,751,787. Knight, Nigel, 2008. Churchill, The Greatest Briton Unmasked, David and Charles, 408 pages. ISBN 978-0715328552. References: